at peace and all one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas. Cards. I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's get a party or dinner for two. Anywhere would do. Celebrate Yuletide season. Always lights up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they're shared with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends you always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
By the Christmas tree, a shower.
My dear, where are you?
Crystal, halika na! Yan, grabe ang lamig ng kamay ko. Ang lamig! Ba't ako naisita na? Siguro ba nito? Merry Christmas! Andito si Nino. Family picture po tayo.
Sabi ni Ninong, oh, hindi niya ako sinama.
Saan tayo magpa-family picture?
Nations are at peace and all one in God. Let's sing Merry
Ay, friend yan, exciting! Ikaw po rin ang magkakalimod-galingan ha?
Wait. May surprise yan from Kwai Kwai.
Okay? Sana?
Kasama si ano?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 na. Pang-11 na po yan.
Hindi na kami kasali.
The music mo tayo.
Ha? Sige, sayaw na kayo, sayaw.
Ilapit mo dyan. I-stop mo dyan.
Sino yung pinakamagaling sumayaw?
Dami ko yan. Paano ka makakatampot yan? Ay! May trick sa akin!
galing ah.
Yay!
Pwede pa. Kuya yun.
Paldo!
Paldo!
Ganda.
Ang swerte naman ang skirt na to! Paldo ah.
Ano yan sa'yo, sis?
1,000.
Wow!
Yung nasa gitna, pinagagawa na eh. Yung kaya nasa gilid pala.
Dapat
Okay.
Nagawa din pala yung sa'yo? Yun yung
Hindi,
sasabihin.
may
Sabi siya,
naman